In the laboratory, a glass slide is being used for scientific experiments. The glass slide provides a smooth surface for observing and analyzing samples. Scientists carefully place specimens onto the glass slide for examination. The transparency of the glass slide allows light to pass through, aiding in microscopic observations. Researchers use the glass slide to study cells, microorganisms, and other biological structures. The glass slide is an essential tool in various scientific disciplines, such as biology, chemistry, and pathology. It enables scientists to visualize and analyze samples under a microscope. The glass slide is carefully handled to prevent contamination and ensure accurate results. With its versatility and reliability, the glass slide plays a crucial role in laboratory research. From medical diagnostics to environmental studies, the glass slide is an indispensable tool for scientific exploration.